In front of me is HTC Desire 12S, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach your Play Store, then click on More icon, which is 3 dots 1 in the right upper corner, and select My Apps and Games. And here under Updates you'll find all applications that can be updated in your device. Here you've got them. And you can either update one particular application, for example Facebook, by tapping on Update, and now this app only will be updated. Okay, so let me pick for example Messenger, maybe that would work. Nope. Okay, so this is how it should work. I don't know why Facebook and Messenger, which are actually from the same apps group, are not updated. But still, if you will pick some particular app, the latest version will be downloaded and then installed. Let me stop it. But also you can update all apps at once by tapping on Update All. And then all of your apps will be updated. It will be done automatically, so at first the latest version will be downloaded, then installed. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way and then open your Play Store to observe the progress. So this is it. That would be all. This is how your apps can be updated, how you can smoothly do it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.